Hi, for today's video is how to set automatic email reply in Gmail. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to set an email reply in Gmail on mobile, follow these steps. Now, first thing you're gonna do is open up your Gmail app on your mobile device. Then, tap the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Now, select the account you want to set up automatic reply for if you have multiple accounts. Now, scroll down and tap on Out of Office Auto Reply. Now, turn on the toggle switch to enable the Out of Office Auto Reply. Set the first day and the last day. Now, enter the subject and message for your automatic reply. Then, you can choose to only send the automatic reply to people in your contacts by turning on the toggle switch next to Only Send to My Contacts. And if you don't like, just don't put it. Then, just press Done. Now, it's already, the out of office auto reply is on from March 22 to March 23. And anyone who sends you an email during the time period you specified will receive your automatic reply. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!